Hey guys, so why this is the last chance to get filthy rich in crypto, in my opinion, and this is not a financial advice. This is the last chance because, as you may know, the summer months in crypto are usually the slowest ones because most of the founders, most of the whales, most of the people in general are basically taking vacations in summer. They will not be checking Bitcoin or crypto prices in summer. Most people will be enjoying the weather. They will basically take vacations in these next 3 to 4 summer months, and that's basically the main reason and the biggest opportunity, and probably the last opportunity to get in a great positions to buy cheap coins and tokens and NFTs and crypto projects. And yes, in my opinion, NFTs as well will come back 10 times, even 100 times stronger than they were in 2021. And I am personally not the chart guy. I am not drawing lines on these crypto charts, but in my opinion, the 4-year cycle, the 4-year crypto cycle works almost 99% of the time. You can see it right here. And that's why I am personally following the 4-year cycle, which means that every 4 years, we are basically entering a new crypto euphoria, as we did in 2013, 2017, 2021, and right now the next euphoria will be, in my opinion, in 2025, which is basically 8 months away. And again, I think the summer months will be the slowest ones, and that's the reason this is the biggest and the last opportunity. And if you are farming airdrops, again, most people will be going away from airdrop farming because, as you can see, most of the airdrops right now are basically dumping because the whole crypto market is dumping, and as soon as the token comes out, it dumps basically like 60% at least. And that's the reason why most people will be fading airdrop farming, because they will think that the crypto market is tanking, dumping, and there is no reason to farm airdrops if the token is going down as soon as it launches. And me personally, I will be airdrop farming these next 4 months as much as I can, because this is another great opportunity for airdrop farmers as well. There will be not many people farming in the summer. Also, my recommendation is check NFTs, check projects that are still building and that have not left. For example, Bored Apes will definitely come back strong. I think Vivi will come back strong. And I personally will be buying some OMI token as well in the summer, because in my opinion the OMI token will go even lower in the summer. But after summer, when people are back to work, back from vacations and back from enjoying the sun, they will be back checking crypto prices. They will be back on the PCs, on the laptops, just checking YouTube videos, how the basically Bitcoin and Ethereum and the whole crypto markets are pumping. And that's why I think 2025 is the next euphoria, the 4-year cycle again. And I myself, I will be posting crypto, NFT, and airdrop alpha daily on my Patreon. So all the crypto alpha I will find throughout the summer, I will post on Patreon first. The second place where I'm posting alpha is YouTube and Twitter. So if you want, you can follow me on YouTube and Twitter as well, because I will be working on searching the alpha the whole summer, because this is the biggest 4-year opportunity to get filthy rich from crypto. So I'm wishing you all the success in the crypto, and I'm recommending you to not fade the summer months. Do as much airdrop farming, as much research in the undervalued crypto projects, because I think the projects will go down in price. But after summer is over, that's basically when we will basically start another bull run. And in 2025, that's the crypto euphoria as we saw in 2021, but this time it will be much bigger, because there are, for example, Stripe accepting crypto payments. There are so many new integrations, bridges, cross-chain bridges from chain to chain, and we have so many new layer 2s with low gas fees, because Ethereum will probably cost around $50 and $100 per transaction in the 2025 if Vitalik doesn't think of something that lowers the gas fees. But I think the 2025 will be the year of layer 2s, just like it was with ICOs in 2017. The NFT wave will be even bigger than it was in 2021, because many major brands will try to capitalize on this opportunity to milk the people and basically earn some money from NFTs and from their brand. That's basically the main reason why I think NFTs will come back 100 times stronger. And that's why I will be dropping NFT Alpha as well, because I think that NFTs 100% will come back stronger. So if you don't want to miss any crypto alpha throughout the summer, when most content creators and people will be basically sleeping and taking vacations, you can drop that subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload you get a notification instantly and you don't miss out on any upcoming crypto airdrop NFT alpha. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.